What is poppin'? And today we're back with another video. Hope you guys are all having a wonderful-ish day. And anyways, if you guys... Boy. Anyway, oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep it there. Anyways, I'll be right back. And I'm right back. And if you guys read about the title, you guys know what I'm doing today. See this bulb? See this baseball bat? Hopefully you guys know what I'm doing. I'm going to be doing Christmas bulbs versus baseball bat. No offense to... I love Christmas spirits and I got it up everywhere. But anyways, we're going to get right into this. Hopefully it doesn't break. Well, I know I want it to break. But you guys know what I mean. Hopefully it doesn't break anything like else. Okay. So anyways, here we go. That was not me. Alright, I'm going to go get some more bulbs. I'll be right back. Alright guys, we got some more. 1, 2, and a few others. Hold on. This is what it looks like. If you guys are ever wondering what a bulb looks like inside, it looks like that. That's great. This was a pretty one, but it's going too. Dang it, Alex, it'd be nice if you actually hit it. It didn't break. Alright, next. Fill this baby up. Yeah! Shattered that thing. I'll be right back. I'm going to show you guys it. Alright, guys. Here it is again. That's what the red one looks like. More bulbs. Alright. I'm just going to hurt breaking this one. I love this one, but I'm going to break it anyways. Alrighty. Yep, it gone. I'm going to go get it too. There it was. Well, that didn't shatter as much as I thought. Oh, frick. Yeah, boy. Here it is. Alright, let's go get some more. Alright, guys. Next. Here we go. Oh, jeez. 3, 2, 1. He shattered again. I'm gonna go grab it. Come on, run. Alright, next. 3, 2, 1. It broke. Yay! Yay! I look like Mario. Alright, well, ran out of bulbs. That's great. Don't need this thing anymore. That about hit me around the head. That was great. Okay, anyways. I guess after class I should say. Piece. Another piece. One more piece. Pieces. And a piece. And some other more pieces after that, so it's great. Breaking bulbs are wonderful. What else to break? Does this still count as a bulb? I think it does. Yeah. Does it even work though? Alright, it works. I can't break it. That would just be mean. Just be mean, Alex. So anyways, yeah, shout out goes to Wolfe Jr. down link in the description below. Go subscribe. Like a boss. So yeah, not sure what to do for the next 5 minutes. I have a pretty cool idea for tomorrow. Stay tuned for it. It's gonna be actually pretty lit, like litmus off Jake Paul litmus. I'm just kidding. Okay. Anyways, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Poor rest in peace. Well, rest in pieces. Bulbs, they died of cause to damage of bat, I guess. I don't know what else to do. Guess that was gonna hurt. Extra large size. My name is John. Oh, baby, a triple. Just kidding. I like to play a harmonica all day long. It actually does hurt. It like pinches your hand. Alright. I'm just kidding. Speaking of one cat. Gosh. I didn't take it or anything. Alright. Anyways, yeah. So please don't fall from whatever. Get some baseball. Oh, hey! I should put these in the YouTube thing. Well, my YouTube carrier. That was Diet Coke and Mentos. I remember that too. I think you guys remember it. It got like 50-some views on it. It actually did really good. Here it is. See? I think it has a little Coca-Cola bottle on it. Yay! Yeah. But yeah, it has a little Coca-Cola bottle. I'm gonna hit him because that's just savage way to do it. That's actually who did that? Was it Babe Ruth? No, one of the baseball players. Like baseball players, I can't remember if it was Babe Ruth or anything. They would stay out there and they would hit bottle caps all day. I remember that. That's how they became so good with hand-to-eye coordination. It was awesome. We learned about that. Alright, let's do it. Man, that's why I'm not going to be a baseball player. I'm bad. Gosh. I plan on being a YouTuber for the rest of my life. What a boy. Yay! Woo! Sealed that one. That one clear over the shed. Clear over there. That was awesome. Hey, how about baseball bat versus motor? Always works out pretty good, right? My puns are bad. Okay. You guys want to hear a joke? Definitely did not copy this off a joke site. Okay. Why did Donald Trump ban pre-shredded cheese? He wanted to make America great again. Get it? Alright. Psych. You guys always fall for that. I don't know, yeah. Also, like I said, shout out goes to Lance Virginia. If you guys want to win a shout out, all you got, oh my gosh, it's cold in here. All you guys got to do is subscribe, turn on post notifications, and say you want a shout out in next video, and you got it. So yeah. So anyways, play my drum music because it's satisfying. You guys are like, shut up, Alex. Dang, Daniel, back at it with them white buns. I love that bat. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Harold! Harold! Thought I lost you forever. I know you guys are probably thinking, is this kid like retarded sometimes? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. My name's Alex Wolfe. How are you? Ow. Anyways, like I said, hope you guys enjoyed this video so far. What the heck? Who is that? Oh, I think we're staring at alert. I got a baseball bat. Okay. Anyways, yeah, guys, yeah, this baseball bat was pretty good. Pretty good, gonna admit, but not anymore. Yeah, you sound like stupid, Alex. That's why you don't hit it off the side of the trampoline. My trampoline is actually really tall. Let me show you guys this. I'd never really thought of it super tall. Look, okay. Trampoline is up to like, I'm stand full straight out. Almost up nearly to my chest. It's how tall it is. It's crazy. Like, I love tall trampolines though. It makes me feel safe. Makes me feel safe. Okay. Anyways, yeah, Wolfpack, that is almost the vlog after we get to 10 minutes, and you guys like my mood. It's actually a mood ring. I love it. My mood is usually this. Usually has dark blue and yellow in it. I don't know what that stands for. Wolfpack mode. Anyways, guys, yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned and subscribe. Turn on post notifications so you guys get notified every time I upload a video, which is every day. For you guys, I always will upload as much as I can. And I've been going daily. I went daily for a month straight, so. Anyways, yeah, I do daily vlogs, and because that's what I do. So, yeah. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to hit a thumbs up. And want a shout out to get new, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and say you've done. Boom, got a shout out next day. But make sure you comment, say you did it. And also like the video. Oh my gosh. Yes. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a like and share with your friends if you're new, and subscribe if you're new. And I hope you guys all have an awesome day. Wolfpack. I'll see you guys on tomorrow. Peace out. Salami. Just kidding. It's salami. Peace.